What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. God, that is bright. Hopefully it adjusts. Today, you guys probably already know by the title, but we're buying a new truck. Not really sure the plan of the truck yet, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna flip it. But anyways, we're gonna get in the HHR today, go head to the bank, and yeah, pull some money out and hopefully get a truck tonight, but we'll see. So got my lunch and get all loaded up. And drive the sweet like 2 minutes to the bank. Still gotta figure out why this thing doesn't open really, but anyways, we're gonna head out. Something everyone in a manual needs to do before you take off or start it. Bam, just like that, we're there. What a jam though. Alright guys, I'm gonna run in, grab some money, and well, hopefully grab some money, and then bounce out of here. We're gonna head to the shop for a little bit, and we'll hopefully be picking up the truck later once I verify everything is legit. The problem is, we got a flat tow at home. Luckily, it's only like 2 miles away. So, should be pretty fun. Alrighty guys, so we got the goods. Like I said, we're going to the shop today, so I don't really know what that's gonna bring. Probably some work at the house for a little bit, and then hopefully later on today we can go pick the truck up. Drop in the comments right now, don't cheat, and you know, predict what we're buying and what's wrong with it. You know, that's a little deep. Predict what we're buying at least. It is a truck. I'm sure you can guess the brand at least. So drop it down below what you think, but we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So I forgot to film getting it home because we actually flat towed the truck with this truck like 12 miles down hilly roads and everything. But I'm gonna show you what we got. We have got ourselves a 2003 Chevrolet LB7 Duramax. Dun, da, da. It's a service body, it's a work truck. Dude started pulling the injectors, kind of got in over his head, and yeah, it's he didn't really know what he was doing, so he just kind of said away with it, and yeah, pretty much just gonna sell it, whatever. So that's why I'm here. I'm gonna pull the injectors out, fix it, get it back on the road, and probably sell it to fund the big truck. But it's a pretty clean, it's a 2-wheel drive, so obviously not the best, but it's pretty clean. I don't have the keys right now. I think I left them over there. Oh, no, I got them in my pocket. It's got a screw in the tire. But it is a work truck, but it's got a bank 6-gun, it's got an exhaust, it's got gauges, radio, airbags, pretty much all the stuff you can think of, and it's got power windows. I don't know if it was converted or what, but I'm guessing that's the case. I'd like to learn how to do that. But anyways, no rips in the seat. It's a little dirty, just needs a good bath, but otherwise just got the vinyl floors, gauges, switch, airbags, some other stuff, trailer brakes, all the good stuff. It's a little dirty like I said, but we're gonna get this thing all cleaned up, probably fix it first, and yeah, I have keys to all the boxes, probably put something there, clean this up, power wash it, maybe paint depending. Do a little service body though, you know. So you guys can expect to see this in future videos. Basically tearing it down, making this thing run right again. It is a Cali emissions LB7, so you know, it is what it is. But like I said, we're not keeping it forever. This is kind of a flip deal, something else that we do at the shop. So we're gonna go ahead and get that thing slammed back together And yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you are excited for the content of this, rebuilding it and all that good stuff, and maybe we'll throw some goodies on there or something, whatever we got. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're excited for the build, smash a thumbs up. But yeah, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later with this mess. Stay tuned to watch this.